Welcome to your demise, or otherwise to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing a popcorn eating challenge. I'm going to be shooting for roughly 1,000 calories, maybe even more. This challenge was inspired by Doucette, who called out another influencer for saying that she could have 5 full-size bags of Smart Pop popcorn and not even feel it.
Try and eat that 1,000 or 2,000 calories of popcorn. Smart Pop popcorn. Let's see you do it. 200 calories per bag. I weighed it out, not all the kernels pop. 200 calories per bag. It's a large bag. Try and eat 5 to 10 of those as a snack. Try it. Make a video. I challenge you. Blair Walnuts, let's see it. Have 5 to 10 bags of popcorn and then tell me how much you eat afterwards. Are you up for the challenge? Let's see you do it. Let's see. I believe I had 12 bags in a competition against Editor Steve, and I can out-eat almost anyone. Not Will Tennyson, but most people. And 10 bags of popcorn, 2,000 calories, is an absurd amount. 5 bags is a shit ton. Shit ton. Most females, 1-2 bags full, want to see you eat 5 bags and then say you're hungry.
These are the mini bags, so it's going to be at least 10 mini bags to equal 5, and that would be about 1,000 calories. I might have this whole box, which is 12 bags. We'll see, but I'm going to pop a bag, weigh it out, see what it comes to. Let's get to it. Moments of truth. Let's see what we got here. $27 grams. Wait. Yeah, 27 grams. 33 grams is a serving. That's 100 calories according to this. So, okay, 28 grams now. So we're just shy of 100 calories. What you are seeing here is a sped up version of me popping every single bag in the box of popcorn. And of course, there were excess kernels that were unpopped, so I actually removed all the kernels and popped them separately in a stir crazy with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Bowl 1 of only popped popcorn came out to 150 grams. Bowl 2 of only popped popcorn, no kernels, came out to 175 grams. For a total of 325 grams, just 5 grams short of 330 grams, which would have equaled 1,000 calories. So mathematically, I consumed just under 985 calories. Woo! That took roughly an hour. Popcorn challenge complete. Plus 770 grams of watermelon. Still have some appetite left. Blair Walnuts, knight in shining armor to the rescue. But really, I love Doucette. I thought this would be a fun video. Have a magical day. Hey, yo, do you think Blair Walnuts wants me? Do you think I could get with her? I think maybe. Yeah, Blair Walnuts wants me, man. Abso-freaking-lutely.